In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create smooth camera movements in After Effects. Begin by adding footage to the timeline, then make it 3D by checking this icon. Then go up to Layer, New Camera, click OK. After adding the camera, 3 camera tools will be added to the tools bar, and in order to navigate through them, we can hold down the Alt key, then the left mouse button will become the first camera tool that allows you to rotate the camera. Pressing down the scroll wheel will activate the second camera tool that allows you to pan the camera, and the right mouse button will become the third camera tool that allows you to zoom in and out. And after you know all of those shortcuts, you can easily move the camera around and make it focus on a specific part of the video. But first, let's move the playhead to the needed frame. So let's say 1 second for me. Then I'm going to zoom in over here. I'm going to slightly rotate the camera and pan it if needed. Then expand the settings of the camera, go into transform and create keyframes for point of interest and position by clicking on the stopwatch icon. Then go 1 or 2 seconds forward, let's do 2 seconds. And here you can either move the camera to a different position, or you can right click on these properties and select reset to go back to the original view. Then let's go 2 seconds forward again, and then move the camera to a different position to make it focus on a different part of the video. So let's say I want to focus it on the effects window over here. So I'm going to zoom in, I'm going to rotate it slightly and then pan it like that. And now the part that makes the movement smooth, we're going to drag and select these keyframes, right click any of them, keyframe assistant, easy use, or you can press F9 as the shortcut. Then go into the graph editor while the keyframes are still selected. Then right click, select speed graph. Now drag and select the second point, you will see the yellow handle. So we're going to drag the second yellow handle all the way to the left. Or if you have multiple keyframes, you can drag and select all of them. And once again, drag the second keyframe handle to the left, and that'll adjust the graph for all of the keyframes. Then exit the graph editor and enjoy smooth camera movements. And if you want to add extra smoothness, you can enable motion blur by checking this icon for the footage layer. But keep in mind, this will slow down the preview by a lot, so you can just do this at the end.